The holidays are here. Do you need some motivation to get your house ready? Plan the parties, the to-do list, the grocery shopping, the cleaning? Don't worry, I gotcha. Well, we're gonna break things down, help us not feel so razzle, you know? We're not trying to do this challenge all in one day. Oh, no, no, no. Spread it out all during the week. Add it into your routines. Okay, it is time to get our homes in order after the Thanksgiving aftermath. Question, did you have any guests stay for Thanksgiving? Even if you had guests or not, you're going in and out and things can get a little crazy. Let's have our homes pop. Progress over perfection. If you had guests, start stripping the beds, get the sheets and the blankets in the wash. I am going to put our holiday comforter on our bed. I look forward to putting it on every year. So at this point, you were just blessing your home. So you're gonna strip your beds, vacuum, dust. It's just like all the high traffic everyday area, just take care of. The biggest thing is probably check your clutter spots. The kids were home, things kind of tend to build up. So this is gonna take some planning. Grab a notebook, some paper, your planner. Grab something so it can help keep track of things for you. If you don't have a planner, I have a printable for you down below. Let's jump into our kitchens. Do you have leftovers? Do you have lots of food? Yep. Do you have things falling out? So go into your refrigerator. If you have to take things out to wipe it down, get it clean, go ahead and do that. So that way, the next round of food coming in, your refrigerator is ready to go for you. So go through there, go through your leftovers. Are you leftovers people? Are you gonna eat them quick enough? Usually Thanksgiving food could go 3 to 4 days. After that, no bueno. Create something from your leftovers. If not, freeze them. If you have a food vacuum machine, like a food saver, use that to preserve your leftovers. You don't want to throw away turkey. Turkey is like gold. I mean, protein right now is so expensive. If you don't have a vacuum sealed machine, put it in a Ziploc bag, put the date on it, put it in your freezer and use it within the next 3 months. If you have leftover mashed potatoes, did you know that you could freeze these? You could freeze them all in a bowl if you want, or you could drop portions on a baking sheet with freezer paper, wax paper, parchment paper, put them in little sections, put them in your freezer on the baking sheet, let them freeze up for like a couple of hours by themselves. Then you could throw them in a container or a bag, individual portions of mashed potatoes, and have them later on. They freeze up beautifully. Thanksgiving was here, we were in our pantry working from it, so it's a little bit nutty. Look in your cupboards, your pantry, wherever it is that you put your food. And let's go in and straighten it up, because I'm sure yours looks like mine. We're going to menu plan and make a grocery list. What are you gonna be baking up this holiday season? Meals and treats just in your own home. Do you do neighbor treats? What are the things that you like to bring to potlucks? What side dishes do you like to do? Do you host? How many meals do you have in your home that you could jot down? Family parties, work parties, church parties, friend parties, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Shop your shelves, see if you already have anything already in your pantry for those recipes. And if you don't, start making your grocery list. This way, you could be shopping around at all your stores, checking out prices and seeing where you can get that product cheaper. That way you could save a buck. If you don't have holiday dinners in your home and you actually go out to eat for the holidays, call and make that reservation, get your name on a list. It's going to fill up fast. Okay, before we can set up this, we need to put away our fall and Thanksgiving decor. Pick which day this week works out good for you to grab your bins, your totes, and start collecting things. I like to gather things on my dining room table and just kind of have it be the hub. So that way, when I have my totes out, I could just start putting things away. So when you're going through your decorations, it's a good time to declutter. Whatever I'm not using out, I put them in one bin. So that way, at the end of the season, I can go, okay, we could donate this or give it away. When do you start decorating for Christmas and when do you put up your tree? Next, we need to think about our Christmas cards. Do you send out cards or a newsletter every year? We don't do it every year. In fact, the majority of the years that we've been married, we've hardly done it. I have this bucket here that was in my Christmas bin of where I keep leftover Christmas cards and any Christmas cards that got mailed back to us that the address is wrong. Oh, I hate that. That makes me so sad. Do you need to update any addresses? Do you need to go out and buy a box of cards? So I have this much. I have 12 here, 5 here. I'm gonna have to run back with Hobby Lobby with blinders on, go for the cards, and get out. Do you need stamps? Can you afford to send cards out? How many can you send out? Go through your list. Give the ones out where they're people that you don't see all the time. Like, if they're friends that you always see or family you always see, you hand it to them in person instead of mailing it out. That will help you cut the cost of all your stamps. And in fact, in here, I had some stamps. And these are the Forever stamps, 60. Sweet. So I'm gonna send out 60 cards this year. Who are gonna be the lucky 60 people? Do you put a family photo in? Do you every year go and get like a Christmas family photo? I try not to. Our schedules are bananas. So I'll try to find one that we already took during the summer or, you know, during the year when we were all together, or piece groupings, and do that. Grab your photographer now, get a date in motion so you can get your pictures put in with your cards or newsletter. If you have your cards and you just put your name in, you don't need to wait for pictures or anything, start sealing them up and stamping them. And then every time you do a batch, put them in the mail. Don't wait till the whole batch is done, just get them out. It's more motivating that way. Stamp them and get them out your door. All right, those are the things that you're gonna focus on and try to accomplish this week. I'm gonna be doing these things right along with you. If you're ready for week number 2, go ahead and click the video right here, and I will see you in the next video.